Hey guys, welcome back to this fantastic tutorial presented to you by Eduonix. So in the previous videos, we have been going through the fundamentals of blockchain technology. The first fundamental was hash function, the second was digital signatures. With digital signature, we saw a part of cryptography where we had symmetric and asymmetric key. We used asymmetric key encryption methods to create a digital signature. Asymmetric keys have two keys, a public key and a private key. So where are these keys stored? So let's see. Now this is pertaining to Bitcoin only. In Bitcoin, an identifier of 26 to 35 alphanumeric character beginning with the number 1 or 3. So Bitcoin address is also a part of asymmetric cryptography. What is an address? I'll show you in a moment. If I open my wallet, Exodus wallet, you can get this Exodus wallet directly online. It's free, open source. So basically address is hash of the public key. The address is, and this is for every cryptocurrency. This address is hash of the public key. This address is not public key, it is the hash of the public key. And for Bitcoin, the address is for ranging from 26 to 35 alphanumeric characters starting with 1 or 3. Represent a possible destination for Bitcoin payment. So the Bitcoin wallet. So wallet is a place where we store keys. It's basically the Bitcoin equivalent of bank account. So in cryptocurrency, you don't have account numbers, you have addresses. You don't have to give your name if you want to receive some cryptocurrency. You don't have to reveal your identity. So this is the best part of cryptocurrency where you are being pseudonymous. I would say pseudonymous, not anonymous, and you can receive payment from any person around the world. While during bank transactions, you will have to reveal your identity. You have to give your name, your account number, even the where your bank account is. It allows you to receive Bitcoin, store them, and send them to others. Once a Bitcoin wallet is installed on your computer or mobile device, it will generate your first Bitcoin address. Each address has its own balance of Bitcoins. However, the address can be changed whenever you want. So this is the wallet here, and in this wallet you are given backup in form of email and a 12-word backup phrase. You are not provided with the public and the private keys because it's up to the developers of the wallet. The Exodus wallet developers or the company itself thought it's not secure to provide the public and the private key, because once you have given lost the public key, or once you have given revealed the public key to someone, your your cryptos are gone. So this is just one wallet. There are tons of wallet in the market. You can Google for wallets. One other wallet which I have downloaded is Electrum. This is a software wallet as well. In this you are provided with public and the private keys. I am given few number of addresses, as you can see. I can change my address. I can create a new private key or generate a new address whenever I want. So if I click on details, I'll get the public key. As you can see, this is the public key of this address. And as I said, for every private key, there is only one corresponding public key. You won't have like two private key or two public key for one single corresponding public key. This is the private key. So in this wallet, they are providing with you with the private and the public keys both. There are other wallets called Jax as well. So Jax, Exodus are pretty famous wallet in the market right now. You can use it. Pretty convenient also to use. Electrum is not convenient enough, but they give you a lot of control over everything because Jax and Exodus can block you, and since you don't have the private key, you cannot do anything. This is the problem, even though they are providing with a very good interface and very convenient usage of the software. But if they block you, there is no option. They can easily block you. Electrum cannot block you because they are providing you with the public and the private key. You can just export your public and private key and then import it in some other wallet. So you will have the import option also. So new and restore, you can import your public and private keys if you have stored it somewhere and get it started. There are many other wallets in the market. So in these wallets you have complete control. It is also a software wallet. You have a complete control. Jax is also a software wallet, but you don't have a complete control over it. Jax can block you. This is also pretty convenient. Is to receive you will give your address to the sender. To send you will take the receiver's address. And this is something called a shapeshift API, where you can convert Bitcoin to Ethereum and vice versa directly. This is pretty expensive. Not many people use it, and I don't advise you to use it. If you have base BTC, keep BTC. If someone is asking you for Ethereum, even though you have BTC, you just ask him to get a new wallet for BTC. It's not a big deal. And same goes for Ethereum. You don't have to convert Ethereum to BTC because Ethereum wallets are also easily available. It gets expensive. They charge quite a lot amount of fees to convert. If I want to convert one Bitcoin, I'm not sure how much they're charging, but it's like 20, probably $20, and that's too much. It's better not to use Shapeshift API, but it's pretty convenient. It's something where you are getting extra features to convert your cryptos, and not all cryptos are convertible. They have mentioned here Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Dash, Zcash, Dogecoin. So all these are convertible. Apart from that, not all are convertible. Then we have something called web wallets as well, like blockchain.info. Web wallet means it is based on web. That's it. Software wallet is based on software. So you can just click on the get free wallet and get started with a web wallet. I've already created my own wallet, but the sad thing is I don't remember the wallet ID, so I won't be able to log in, but you can easily create it. We also have something called hardware wallet or cold wallet. Basically, cold wallet is a better word. So these are hot wallets. The web-based wallet and the software wallets are called hot wallet because it is always connected to the internet. Hot wallets are slightly more prone to hacking because they are always connected to internet, so it's prone to DDoS attacks and other types of attacks. But cold wallets are not connected to the internet, and one of the cold wallet is paper wallet. So this is a paper wallet you can create just by printing. I can just skip this, or you can, if you want, you can play the game they have asked for, but I think I better skipped. So with this you get your public key and the private key. You can print this and you can transfer funds to this cold wallet which is not connected to the internet. Okay, so it's not at all prone to hacking at all cost. But if you want your crypto back from this wallet to your own wallet, then you will have to hot wallet, from a cold wallet to hot wallet. Use in only, I'm talking about only for paper wallets. You will have to transfer all your cryptos back. You cannot afford to transfer, like if you have transferred 10 bitcoins, you have to transfer all 10 bitcoins. You cannot transfer just 5 bitcoins. That is a funda of cool wallet. Then we also have hardware wallets where you can store your keys and do transactions. This hardware wallet was introduced in the year 2016. probably 2017, just very recently. We have Trezor and Ledger S Nano, which are two famous hardware wallets. Now, this hardware wallet is convenient, more convenient than paper wallets, a lot more convenient. It is expensive, first of all. If you have huge amount of cryptocurrency, I think you should go for hardware wallet. But there is no problem with this. The convenience is you can connect to internet whenever you want. You can connect to the internet, then send the cryptos you want to a hot wallet or to any other wallet. So this is very convenient. Ledger S Nano and Trezor. If you have good amount of crypto, I think you should buy this. So I hope you have understood the difference between hot and cold wallet. I'll just summarize. Hot wallet is something which is connected to the internet, always connected to the internet. Cold wallet is something which is not connected to the internet. In hot wallet, we have web wallet, web-based wallet, mobile-based wallet, and software-based wallet. In cold wallets, we have hardware wallet and paper wallets.